One of our foundations is the field-based programs. We believe that beginning in the freshman year, students need that experience. It's the hook that keeps them motivated and interested in pursuing their passion.
It benefits me greatly, honestly. In the classroom we do learn a lot, but it's not comparable at all to being in a classroom. So being able to be with students on a daily basis is awesome because that gives me a bigger opportunity to grow as a teacher in the field.
No matter how many field experiences our candidates have, there's still that learning curve of having your own classroom. So as much as possible, we try to emulate the real world with the field experiences that we do.
It's just a lot of hands-on experiences outside of the classroom with students. So we're not just there observing, we're teaching lesson plans and doing a lot of different activities with them as well.
There'll still be that learning curve, but we're doing all that we can to make that transition period as smooth as possible for our candidates. We believe that those that come through the program at UNK will have a leading edge over candidates with substantially less field experiences.